Good morning. So it's about 4:25 in the morning and I'm about to start from my home. Just need to load up the luggage on the bike before we move. I'll see you in a bit. All set. Let's go. Hello boys. We are going to Mandalpatti Peak. Back again on the road. It's been a couple of months, yeah. And today we are off to a big group ride on the nice road and heading towards Nelamangala toll. Good feeling to be on the road, man. It's early in the morning, just after 5. Yeah, the trucks are still around, but the cold breeze is a good company. To throw some more light into the situation, this is going to be about 260 odd kilometers ride to Kodagu, Coorg, and this is a kind of a big ride with about 20 odd bikers joining in today and 20 more bikes coming in tomorrow. I think it's going to be a hoot once we all get there. It's been a long time since most of us have met, thanks to the pandemic. Couple of days there, meeting old friends and exploring new places. Yeah, good recipe for fun. It's gonna be a fun weekend. It's gonna be a fun weekend for sure. Yeah, I see a lot of bikes there. That must be them. Right there. Hello boys. Yeah, almost everyone here. Time to move again. We're now heading towards the breakfast point. It's about 80 odd kilometers from here. Lovely morning weather though. It's a little bit of fog, if you can make out from this video. The temperature is pleasant, maybe about early 20s. Yeah, lovely ride. Okay, get moving and a quick fuel stop up ahead. It's about 8:30 and we're passing through Patna town. All this talk about pleasant weather is now history and it's getting hot. I think there's still about 3 hours of riding left. If you go by the distance, it should not be more than 120 kilometers from here. But we aren't really out to set any land speed record, so taking it really slow. Once you get off the national highway, and that's when this beauty really starts. Look at these roads, man. Trees, tall trees on both sides. No big trucks. Lovely roads. Getting hot, and what better way than to get some Man, that coconut felt good. It's already 9:30. As I said, I'm not really in a hurry, so chill. Take the curves like this. Have fun, man, have fun. And compared to the main highways, these small state highways, dual carriage roads are much more involving and fun to ride. You don't really maintain as much speed, but as I said, it's not about the speed. Sights and sounds. I could hear the crickets as we just passed by. So those are the things you'll miss when you're whizzing past at high speeds on highway. This is much more relaxed. No trucks, buses, or people who are in a hurry. अभी ग्रुप आया ना साथ में यार That's the thing about coming early to a hotel to find that your rooms are not yet ready. Finally at 12 p.m. we get our rooms. So they did say it's a villa, but I didn't expect it to be this huge. Let me give you a tour. Stairways to the first floor. You have some living space. View of the coffee estate. And then a couple of rooms here. Quick peek into the rooms. And they have a kitchenette here, well equipped, and some dining space. While the other guys roll in, let's quickly look at the first floor. Beautiful walkway and a couple of rooms. So this is the room that I have picked for myself. That and a balcony. Neat, huh? And then the other room here. A balcony here as well. And another living space here. Come on, man. What will you do with so much space? Welcome, sir, welcome.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
That excitement, I forgot to get my luggage. It's getting close to 2. Most of us are hungry and just walking towards the restaurant. But the forest and the sounds, man, amazing. Idiot number 1 and idiot number 2 after lunch are going back to ride. We are going to Mandalpatti peak, and that's about 20 kilometers from here.
Yes, 20 kilometers.
And
Quite a bit of off-road as well.
Off-road, and we have to climb up the hill.
Yes.
It's not just the 2 of us now, there's a third idiot, so that makes it 3 idiots. Woohoo! From the wide roads, now we have come to much narrower roads, and much tighter winding curves. But hardly any traffic on this road, so the four of us have this road for ourselves. Surprisingly, the map says it's about 9.4 kilometers from here, and it would still take us 32 minutes. So I'm guessing it's nothing much to do about the road and more to do with the location I selected. I selected the Mandalpatti peak, so which would mean that it's assuming that we'll park somewhere down and ride all the way up. But we have other plans. I do understand why they recommend coming here in jeeps. The roads are quite steep and not wide enough for bigger vehicles to pass. Crazy scenes out there, man. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy scenes. And then it started to rain. Don't really have any rain gear. I need to cover up my camera bag here. Chalo. What's life without a little bit of adventure?
So beautiful this place is, no?
Yeah.
If you move to that side, if you see the valley view, no? Madness it will be.
Let's go. That's thunder. And that's the rain. Okay, I'll move. And there's absolutely no rain here, man. How is that even possible? It's just 100 meters ahead, and there's not one drop of rain here. These mountains are magical. Keep the momentum and take a line. Whoa, that was a massive lightning there. Did you guys catch that? And now the thunder rolls in. Worth it, man, worth it. You're almost there. Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. Yo! Wow, that lightning was massive. This is terrible for the suspensions and my back. Now we have to do that all the way back down. Yeah. All that clear views, suddenly there's
Yeah, it's all gone now.
fog, mist coming in. Everything is gone. So we're calling it a day and heading back down. You don't want to get stuck in that really bad off-road.
Yeah.
And just like that, it's clear again. That's what I said, it's crazy weather here. What time is it? I think, yeah, close to 6. You can look at the dark, ominous clouds right behind me. So we're starting to climb down and get back to our bikes, hoping that we'll get to the base of the hills before it gets fully dark. So I'll catch you again on the bike. See ya. And just as the clock says 6, we're out of here. Looks like everyone, including me, are tired, so we'll get something to drink on the way. Chalo, let's go. Look at those views, man. I love these flowing mountains and greenery. I'll get you another view of that from here. That's the view I'm talking about. If you like that view, hit the like button down below. And I think that kind of sums up the ride for the day. The Insta360 battery has died, so I'll just use this GoPro for recording a few more moments before we ride into the resort. That's it, folks. That's the riding for today. Quite a tiring day, really. Enough to have some good time with friends.